So today on Redneck Rescue, our situation is we got a side-by-side with tracks. That it was a pretty warm day today, and the lake level is coming up pretty quickly, and it makes it pretty tough to tell where exactly the lake begins. So they're out cruising their side-by-side. Sounds like they got stuck in the slush on the side of the lake. We're on our way there now. We're about an hour from sunset. Let's go check it out. So here's our side-by-side. It's deceiving where the lake starts. Front end's almost down to the ground. This front track started showing dirt a little bit. You can see they got it moved back. They use their trailer ramps, got a decent ways, but it's just buried in. See, it's about up to the bottom of the cab there. So the plan is we're gonna hook to the back of this. We're gonna run the Mountain Max back over here, bury it in, hook up the gas-powered winch, run a rope down, snatch block back. Can I stand on this track?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you seen these? The soft shackles?
Right?
I've been loving these things.
Yeah, we use those down in Moab with Jeeps.
Okay, yep.
Here you can see the soft shackle in action. Put it through whatever you want, open up the loop end, slide it over the knot, and it'll hold 44,000 pounds.
Actually,
All right.
so I'm gonna take this, use the shovel to kind of guide it.
That worked good.
That was nice.
Big thank you to one of our subscribers for recommending snowmobile tracks on our last UTV rescue. Here I use a slip knot tied to the bumper and then bury it in. Makes a good anchor.
So we laid our snowmobile ramps in, paddle side down for traction. We got them underneath the edges of the track. We got our snatch block in there with our Rhino soft shackle. We got the Yamaha buried on that side as an anchor, both ends tied to the sled. We're gonna go ahead and pull it on up and out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead on the other end. You'll feel it start to pull. Let's go a little bit.
The move here is to let the winch build tension. Once you feel it start to pull, you hit the gas and bump it just a little bit back. And then wait for the rope and the winch to build tension again and bump it back again. And just pop out little by little.
Hold up for a sec. I just wanted to make sure you like our track situation.
All right. I don't hear too good, so.
Yeah, that's fine. No, my next thing is actually Bluetooth.
Right.
You know?
Right.
So it was definitely moving.
Yeah, we moved a foot plus, 2 foot.
Well, it's lifting the front of my sled off the ground.
Yes, it
But
is.
like, you know, we're still moving, so we'll just continue with what we got. I'll give you 1 flash for go, 3 flash for stop.
The Mountain Max makes a great force meter. You can see how hard you're pulling. Now the front tracks of the side-by-side are starting to reach the snowmobile track that we laid in the snow. And it pops right up and out.
We like to call that moving in a positive direction.
Didn't get in line with the road.
I almost think we even just do an Austin Powers and just back up a little bit, pull forward, and then back up again, just to be safe. Come on back, you got 5 feet. A little bit more, another foot, and stop. There you go, straighten them out. That's good. Yep, straight on back to me, slightly turn towards me. Looking good. Straight back. So if you back up another 20 feet, you can just back up onto my snowmobile tracks on that side and be pointed outward. And then we'll load up. So the Mountain Max was doing wheelies. You can see we got our beefy bumper we built here. Rope hook to one side, down to the snatch block, back to the winch. One side by side with tracks. Going back to the parking lot. Now just a little 3 cylinders of awesome. So this is my 1999 Mountain Max 700 triple. 3 tune pipes, 3 exhaust tips, 3 carbs. I call it stunt double because I don't want to do that with my turbo. It's fine. It's a Yamaha. Going to that light way over there. Our mission tonight was just under 3 hours. No big deal. It's now 10 o'clock. We're loaded up and heading home. If you enjoyed today's episode of Redneck Rescue, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Got other fun rescues coming down the line.